What you mean you want to be friends? You can't be friends with somebody you love.
I'm not in love. I just want to have fun.
I'm done with this. I'm done with us.
Open the door!
AfterTouchBeats.com.
How do you walk away from someone you love? Trying to take the road of being a friend. Can you reroute the road you have chose and try to start over again? Can you? I don't wanna let you go, but inside me, I know I must. The times we loved, the times you left, my heart says stay, but it's my mind I must trust. Shared so much together, laughter, times and tears, but we can't turn back time. We must allow ourselves to walk away and heal. May life be gentle and may God best come your way. On some quiet tomorrow, you will realize things are better today. But baby, it's my turn to walk away, cause you don't give me reasons why I should stay. Hard to believe what people say,
I got this track,
but the
Heartbreak
guilt's
song.
on your face. You let another take my place. Memories of pain I can't erase. Hurts too bad to try and stay. Facts remain, my love was waste. Guess it's time to walk away. Guess it's time to walk away. This is what I have to choose. There's nothing else for you to really lose. I promise you'll be fine. You won't blow up like a mine. You took the one thing I had, treated me a mess. You ripped my heart right out of my chest. I committed and gave you all I had. I only got my pen and my pad. Why we can't be together? You're scared to give me your all. Seem like someone else has it, so I should fall. Far from this earth, God take me as I am. Forgive me for my sins, your love for who I am. Someone in love with the wrong. Why'd I write the wrong love song? I'm unhappy, I thank death every day. I'm sorry, God, show me how to pray. Why is my brother gone? Why me? He ain't do nothing wrong. How can I fake not being hurt? Hard to believe what people say, but the guilt's on your face. You let another take my place. Memories of pain I can't erase. Hurts too bad to try and stay. Facts remain, my love was waste. Guess it's time to walk away. Guess it's time to walk away.
Hard to believe what people say, but the guilt I see on your face. You let another love take my place. Memories I can't erase. Hurts too bad to even say. Facts still remains, your love I won't waste. I guess it's time to walk away. I guess it's time to walk away.
Hard to believe what people say, but the guilt's on your face. You let another take my place. Memories of pain I can't erase. Hurts too bad to try and stay. Facts remain, my love was waste. Guess it's time to walk away. Guess it's time to walk away.
Where the fuck have you been? I've been calling you, you ain't been answering the phone. I've been texting you, you ain't been texting me back. What the fuck is really up? What's really good?
It's done, man. It's time to walk away from the situation. I'm done with it.
Whatever.
Yeah, it's whatever.
Guess it's time to walk away.